Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher. Today we have something really special to share with you. We have been sent the Camduck 007, a hidden camera designed to look like a smoke detector. So this product promises to offer secret surveillance without compromise on image quality or functionality. So let's dive in and see what it's all about. First, let's unbox the Camduck 007. Okay, let's unbox this. We have the user manual and the hidden camera smoke detector. As you can see, the packaging is quite compact and secure. Inside the box we have the Camduck 007 itself, a user manual. Let's see if we have anything else like screws and stuff. Yeah, so under this we can see USB to USB-C cable and some mounting screws and guitar picker. Probably we can open something in here. Need to check that. And also, we have two, so one for your guitar, one for the other one. So we have a card reader, memory card reader. So these days everyone sending this stuff. So you can see micro SD, USB 2. So just plug this on your computer and SD card. So you need to have a micro SD card in here. So the micro SD you can read the micro SD card. So they didn't send me a micro SD card, but it's not that much. It's cheaper. You can buy whatever the size you want. These days we have 128, 256, 512. 1 terabyte, like that stuff. So think okay, but it seems like this is the mounting on the wall, and this is the Camduck 007 itself. So the Camduck 007 designs to look like a standard smoke detector, which make it perfect for a hidden camera for home security. It's a lightweight, it feels durable. I mean, when you touch, you can feel that the white color should blend with the most home interiors. So the home always kind of white, so it's blend with all the color in your home, so it looks good. I believe this is the camera. I'm not sure what this is, but we can take a look. I believe this is the camera, so you can't see anything. You can put in the top of the wall or in the side of the wall, so whatever the proper way. So normally it goes up, that like a smoke detector, so people will think it's a smoke detector, but it's a hidden camera. It's a spy camera. Now let's talk about the features. The Camduck 007 is a 4 MP HD camera that supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. It's designed to provide a clear footage for real-time monitoring. One standout feature is it is a motion detection capability, which ensures no movements goes unnoticed. And also the setting up the Camduck 007 is quite straightforward. The user manual provides the clear instructions. First you need to open the back cover, then close it after setting up. You can watch a tutorial on how to connect the Camduck 007 hidden camera to your phone. So everything all in the user manual, and we're going to do that in a bit. Now let me look. So you can see it said do non-replacement battery, do not remove the battery, please note battery positive and negative. So okay, not sure to it out. I want to see, I'm not going to remove, but I want to see this. Okay, so this is rechargeable battery, I believe, so you can recharge. So this is a plus, this is minus, just to make sure. I think you can use the power cord, the 110 240 watt power cable connected. This for cable, which was camera 24 hour operation connected. Yeah, so probably you can connect, so 24 hours connected. In here, so once I pull out, now it's blinking. So this is the on off button. This is the camera and the SD card, so it's cover card. No, that's why they give you this to, you know, pull this out. So they're sending a guitar picker. Yeah, okay, so we have 5 watt. Probably you can charge from here, so you can plug this and you have a SD micro SD card here, so you can record all your videos. Cool. So let me put this one back. I'm going to take this one, so minus, yeah. Okay, so this is the power cable. If you want, you can go to the power, and let's do configuration to my mobile and see what's going on. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do here is grab a SD card, micro SD card, so you can see 32 GB. If you want to continuously record, probably you need to have bigger than this. For now, I'm going to use for testing purposes. I think they have also, I saw another product like you can plug into a wall. Oops, damn, shoot, you gotta kidding me. I just put it the wrong way, but it got stuck. Normally when you plug something in the wrong way, you always, you know, block, so you can take it out and put it the other way. Hopefully it didn't break, so make sure you put it the correct way. So take like this. I mean, it's very hard to tell which one is correct, so now we know it didn't went the other way, so just put it back. Okay, this looks good. Now what I'm going to do here is take this stuff. Okay, so everything looks good. Okay, and it's telling me to, you know, mount. So if you want to mount, just go ahead and mount this, and I'm going to scan this code. So get the phone. So I have iPhone, so I'm going to use the, you can see iPhone download. I'm going to get that. Okay, so I'm installing the app Camduck. Okay, it's already installed. I'm going to click open, send notification, and next is I'm going to click start. Oops, allow while using the app. Would like to use your Bluetooth, allow. Like to find the connected devices, allow. So what next? So please allow, blah blah blah, everything allow, okay. Okay, now what? Turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone, power on the camera, open the app, click start and select about 3 seconds. Okay, maybe I need to use this. Devices, remote monitoring setting. Wait. Did I don't have any devices, so let me go ahead. It says don't remove the battery, so I'm scared to remove the battery. I believe they're saying that. Let me go ahead and read that. Non-replacement battery, do not remove battery, please note battery positive and negative. Okay, probably they were scared to change this stuff, but thing is now I want to see if it's turn it on. Don't see any light. Let me turn it on. Maybe I pulled this the stuff earlier, so maybe that's why. Oh yeah, so now you see some red and blue light. Please control the distance between the mobile phone and the camera out within 2 minutes. Okay. If a blue light flash until off, please click. Blue light flash on until off. Yeah, it's flashing. Okay. Please tick if you have read the about next. Okay. Blah blah blah. Okay. Cam. So it says please connect the camera signal on your phone Wi-Fi list. The camera signal name is to connect the camera Wi-Fi. Okay, saying to connect the camera Wi-Fi. See, I'm an IT teacher. Okay. Password. Asking me password. Do I have a password here? Choose a camera. Wi-Fi. Remote. Okay. Type Wi-Fi password. Password is Camduck66. Okay, Camduck66. Camduck66. Okay, see. Incorrect password. Let me see. Camdog. CAMDOG 66. Okay, let's do this again. CAMDOG 66. Okay, so it's connecting. Okay, good. Okay, so okay, so it's connected. So what? Two 2.4. Please confirm whether the mobile phone is connected to 2.4. Yes. Okay, so I need to connect to the some cases do not support. Do I need to enter anything here? Oh, you need to select here. Okay. You know what? I'm going to use my Tiny Icons childcare. So let's see. Okay, that's how it is. Now I need to enter the password. I'm not going to show you the password, so I'm going to take away from here and enter the password. Okay, now I enter the password. It now connecting the Wi-Fi. Please wait, do not leave this page. Okay, let's see. Setting it and connect the camera ring. Okay, even I'm not looking at the whole instruction, just following whatever I'm seeing here. So hopefully if I did any mistakes, don't worry, should be same thing. Sometimes we always not following the instructions because whatever we see here we follow that, just in case if something goes wrong, then we will see okay what happened, like that. But if you're a very newbie, please use the guidelines, instructions properly. Since it's doing thing, I'm going to see if I need to do something else. So how to connect the mobile phone to the camera. Okay. If you need to connect to the network, select OK and follow the prompts. Okay. So how to turn off? Please on hold the button for 3 seconds to turn off. Till goes the camera turn off. So heat when the camera is working, which is normal. Okay. What the heck? Oh, okay. Refresh. Okay, I'm going to do a refresh. Device not online. What do you mean device not online? Maybe I need to turn on this one on. I don't see. I don't see any lights. Let me do it. Okay, now I see red and blue is blinking. So let's check the power supply network refresh. So do I need to connect to the Wi-Fi again? No, right? I don't see anything. Let's give a couple of minutes and see. Yeah, you can see. Okay, again it's doing something. Just close suddenly from nowhere. So I hope it's just reboot or just close or crash or something. So let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this one out, and so there's a issue going on, so I'm going to use the USB-C cable, and I'm going to connect to a power source, USB power source, and see. So I see a red light. So let me see if I get any lights. I'm going to turn on this. I'm going to do a refresh. Okay, so if just blue light was blinking for few seconds. Okay, it just came on. Not sure what happened. So okay, you can see my face here. Let me go 1080p 4MP, so you can change 4MP 1080p. Let's go for the 4MP. I'm going to, okay, so the quality is good. Look at that. The quality is good. Let me see. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah. Let me go face up. Yeah. Let me take a picture. Photo success. I mean, not bad. Not bad. The one I'm going to issue, I mean, I don't know what happened. I just put the USB-C here. Can the USB-C plug into the USB-C power outlet, and it's running. And I press this button for probably few minutes, like probably 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Press it, and it says the camera had a firmware issue and restore. But what happened is you need to connect to the device to do that. So if you see that 3 dots in here, when you click that, you can restore factory settings in here. So if you want to restore the factory settings, just hit that. You have so many things, SD cards, you can see the total. Even you can format the SD card. You know what, I'm going to format this. Expect to take 3 minutes. My goodness, why it's taking 3 minutes to format? Okay, so don't have time to wait for 3 minutes. Can we go back here? Nope. So yeah, we need to wait for 3 minutes now and see. I'm not going to push. Okay, so I did. Format is completed. Let's see if I get. Seems like the battery is dead. Let me go back, refresh. I'm gonna do the refresh again. Okay, so let me put the USB-C charger again. Seems like the power is not enough. So maybe this one need more power. The battery is dead. So it came with the battery, so probably you need to charge. So that's why I was having so much issues, like why it's not connecting with it. Probably the battery is dead. Let's wait few more, like 1 hour, charge this, and then I'm going to put in somewhere. I'm going to test it out. So you can do start recording. You can do a recording. So now it's recording. I put it like this. So seems like it's good. Even you can put it in the table. I mean, the quality is good. You can see the quality is good. You can see this is like a spy camera, so it's good. So from here, let's see what we can do from it. Oh, you can, interesting. You can do a zoom and you can zoom out. Very interesting. So if you like this, or you can rotate this. Interesting. You can see this. Look at this. You can rotate. So if you don't see anything, you just keep rotate. So you can see the which options you want to see. The functions go maximize. Okay, so you can do maximize, so you can see everything what's going on. Very cool. SD file. Just hit the SD files, it just crash. So when I click the SD file, or maybe it just close. Okay, I'm gonna do a download. Hopefully it's going to be fast. Yep. 78.8 MB. So whenever you go, if you want to take this somewhere, probably it's a good thing to do too, right? I mean, you need to have full charge, but you need to connect to the Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi, and see. Okay, download successful. Now let me go ahead. Just I'm going to show you everything. Let me see. Did I download something in my phone? I'm just looking at. Kidding. So, good play. I mean, it's cool. I mean, the quality is good. You can see the quality is very good. Let's go ahead and yeah, connect. Now it's connecting. Good. So alarm news, Camduck report. Not sure what is that is. Album. When we can get the album. So yeah, I mean everything looks perfect. Just plug in into the wall or side wall. I think it's better. So if you let me see. The only thing is I'm looking at here is the thing is the wall, like all the way top, right? All the way top. Uh, Now if I go PTZ, it's not going to look at the down, it's just sideways, right? No problem, no wrong. So it now I'm trying to put it like this, the straight up. It's like this. So it's showing the downside. Yes, it's good. So you can see because I'm trying to show you my face. That's why I'm trying to hold the camera like that. But it's perfect. I mean, thank you, Camduck. What's the name of the company? Camduck. Yeah, Camduck. Thank you, Camduck, sending this. I really, really like this product. I mean, I don't hesitate to purchase this. I mean, I like the quality. Look at this quality. It's good, and you can rotate this everything. The only thing I want to know is how long the battery going to last, because we're not going to put the power on here because these days everything coming with the batteries. All the new homes come with the battery, so we don't have a power to give this. So normally we just hanging on the wall. That's how we do it, right? We don't need the power. So I don't know how long the battery will last. And where's the? Let me go to the settings. Let me go to the settings and do some tweak. Whether it's on the engineering mode. I don't know what is the engineering mode is. Go to cancel that. Wi-Fi config. Or you can enter your username and password. So if you go to a different place or hotel or anywhere, we can put their username password. Actually, SSD password. Camera information. Okay, look good. Record settings. Or you can do motion detection recording. So that's also good. You can do loop recording. I like the motion detection because if you want to save the power, I think motion detection recording is the way to go. So whether the camera will notify the mobile app after the camera detect alarm. That's awesome. So let me go like that. Yeah, I mean, It's awesome. So let me see the news. Motion detection report. Okay. Oh, nice. So I was I mean, the camera was on the side. After that, I turned on the alarm. I turned back to me. Then it got uh, notification. Look at the quality. Awesome. I mean, awesome. Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Camduck, sending this product to me, and I really appreciate. I really like this product, and I recommend to all the people who looking for a security camera like smoke detector. Uh, is all this is cool. I mean, nothing to worry. We also the things we need is high quality picture, right? So this is giving you a good high quality video. Even the pictures are high quality for MP. That's all you want, and you can rotate this anywhere you want. So it's very good. So you don't need to be worrying in one place. You don't need to change again, and you can do photo and you can do recording. You can go to your SD files. Hopefully, it's not going to close again, but it's okay. I mean, or you can change, put the date and stuff. So normal recording, all files. So seems like everything there. The first one is just closed. Now it's everything looks good. You can see for MP and the date and everything. So it's cool. Maybe you need to give a couple of hours to charge the batteries, and after that you ready to go do some spy stuff. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'm hoping to get more spy cameras and review this channel. This is my first product for spy camera. Camduck, I mean, we're awesome, guys. I like the product. Hopefully I can get more product from you, and I want to review. There's more product. I saw it. I'm very interested to review and see how those qualities and how to use this stuff. Uh, yeah, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment if you what kind of uh, spy camera you guys want to see review and do some testing. Please put a comment below, so I'll try to get those spy cameras and compare and do necessary testing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.